Hello students, hope you are doing well. So here we have one of the text which is missing with the one of the statement, and the statement you would find out here also given in this particular section. So the directions for question is there is a sentence that is missing in the paragraph below. Look at the paragraph and decide in which blank. That may be option 1, 2, or 3, or 4. The following sentence would best fit, isn't it? The statement which is given as a why not. So we need to find out in which blank the statement should fit. So let's read the text and try to see that in which of the blank the statement should fit. So the statement says, with the finding, panspermia struck back, and the theory again grabbed our attention. Blanks. The news broke and spread like a streak of lightning, not limited to the scientific community. Icy walls could allow biological evolution, and harbor life in their hidden oceans below the surface. I wondered whether such worlds were actually incubators mm, for primordial life. So poised to spread across the cosmos. Second blank, where ice moon points of origin for life. Hopscotching from wall to wall, stored for posterity under the surface, but ready to travel aboard a meteor or some other celestial object to place like Earth. If so, if so, mm, was this clever system an accident of the universe or by design? Were such moons and other ice bodies the ultimate source of life? Blank 3. Then after it says panspermia is believed to be universal, whether life was spread intentionally or not. The real question is where and when the first living entities had a chance to evolve. Then blank 4. Well, this is what the statement pointed, and the options which are provided with the bracket 1, bracket 2, bracket 3, or bracket 4. In which of the bracket the statement why not should be placed. Okay, so let's see that the sentence 1 and 2, right? So these sentences introduced what? This sentence um, introduced the finding related to panspermia and its implication, specifically focusing on what that called as a icy walls, right? So sentence 2 and sentence 3. So sentence 2 poses questions about whether icy moons could be incubators for life ready to travel across the cosmos. This sets up the need for broader context and a connection to the concept of panspermia. Concept of panspermia. Panspermia. Right. So then after it is also said, if we are looking into the missing sentence bracket 3, right, where it is pointed, panspermia is believed to be universal. That is what given here. Panspermia is believed to be universal. So whether life was just spread intentionally or not. The real question is where and when the first living entities had to chance to evolve, isn't it? So if I look into this particular statement, so what does its statement say? Panspermia is believed to be universal, whether life was spread intentionally or not. So whereas sentence 4, this sentence continues to explore the concept of panspermia, right? Continues to explore the concept, explore the concept, explore the concept of panspermia, um, panspermia, and expands the questioning to when and where the first living entities had a chance to evolve, isn't it? So placing the missing sentence, if I put it in a option 3, right, seamlessly connects the specific question about icy moons to the larger theme of panspermia and creating a cohesive and logically flowing paragraph. The sentence introduces the universal nature of panspermia and sets the stage for the subsequent exploration of when and where life has a chance to evolve. Okay, so if I talk about that bracket 3 is where the missing sentence should be placed actually, right? If I put the bracket means why not in the option 3, which is nothing but indicating uh, connecting the questions raised in the sentence succeeding to the broader concept of panspermia. It mentions that panspermia is believed to be universal, and it raises the question of whether life was spread intentionally or not. Okay, so um, you also see that what this connects the specific question about icy moon to the larger theme of panspermia. Option 1 cannot be the appropriate bracket to be used with the statement. It can be eliminated. It can be eliminated as the sentence succeeding the bracket is still building up the concept and its implications. The question statement cannot be placed in bracket 2 as the sentence succeeding the bracket doesn't answer it. Also, the question statement can't be placed in a where? Now, option 4, right? Option 1 and option 2 and option 4, as it makes the paragraph incomplete. Therefore, we can say option 2 and 4 can be eliminated. So hence we can find out that the statement why not should be placed in the uh, bracket 3 to make the statement complete and also logical. So why not panspermia? If I put it, why not panspermia is believed to be universal, whether life was spread intentionally or not. The real question is where and when the first living entities had a chance to evolve. Okay, so on the basis of that, we could consider the statement why not should be fit in the bracket 3. I hope you got clear. So this is the kind of a question types which generally we find out in the exams like CAT, and where we need to understand the whole text before we feed the statement, isn't it? So therefore, we need to first read it despite the brackets are given to get the general idea or to get the means, uh, theme of the text, and then only we can put it the statement properly. Okay, hope you are clear. That's all.